Back in Kadapa, a newborn baby has been brought to the RT home. The baby girl's less than a day old. The baby's grandparents are leaving the baby for Sandhya to take care of. The grandmother claims that the mother is not just ill, but missing.
I don't believe her story. I didn't listen to her properly, but she says mother is not there.
Within minutes, the baby's breathing has become erratic.
Doctor, check
Half an hour later, the baby's been rushed to a nearby clinic.
First time, sir.
The baby is premature, and her lungs are not fully developed.
Baby is unable to take the oxygen properly because of the lungs immaturity. He is around 32-33 weeks old. The heartbeat is okay. Only the problem is because of respirations. Chances of survival are not good, I can say.
The baby's been in Sandhya's care for just 6 hours.
I feel so helpless. But there's nothing in our hands. There's just fate. The mother must have taken something to abort the baby, knowing it's a girl. That's why she's so weak. She must have taken some crude things to abort the baby.
The baby survived for just 36 hours. It's the annual festival of Rakhi at RT Home, a time when the relationship between brothers and sisters is celebrated.
I want them to have that feeling of brother and sister feeling, and it's a long-term relationship they have.
Girls tie threads around the wrists of the boys to remind them to look after their sisters. Sandhya's encouraging the boys to value their bonds with the girls long after they leave.
So once they go out of RT Home, they should be more responsible towards their sisters. They should take care, protect the sisters. So that feeling would go a long way.
Sandhya is on her way to meet a woman who used to work at RT Home and is now heavily pregnant. The woman has become very distressed.
She's gone for scanning and she knows it's a girl, and she's very upset about it, and she might do anything. Just going to check up what's happening. I want to talk to her. Ekada? తెలిసిపోతాను అదే కదా తిరుగుతాను. ఎప్పుడు తెలిసింది ఆడపిల్లని?
5 నెలలు అప్పుడు స్కానింగ్ తీపించుకున్నామని తెలిసిందంటే డబ్బులు లేక.
నీకు ఒకవేళ డబ్బులుండి ఆడపిల్లని ఏం చేసి ఉండేదానివి?
అబార్షన్ చేయించుకున్నాను. అబార్షన్ ఆడపిల్లగా నేనే కష్టపడుతున్నాను, తను మళ్ళీ ఆడపిల్లగా భవిష్యత్తుగా మళ్ళీ ముందుకు వచ్చి ఆడపిల్ల ఇంకా ఎన్ని కష్టాలు పడాల్సింది వస్తుందో ఏమో అనేది చాలా దిగులుగా ఉంది. ఆర్తి హోమ్లో చేరుసామనుకుంటున్నాము.
ఆర్తి హోమ్ కాదమ్మా, ఆర్తి హోమ్ తల్లులు ఉన్నావు, నువ్వు తల్లి ఉన్నావు కదా, నీకు నువ్వు ఉన్నావు కదా, నువ్వు ఉన్నావు కదా, నీకు బిడ్డ ఉంది కదా. సో ఇంకొక నెల ఉంది కదా, నెల 9వ నెల అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇంకొక నెల 5 వారాలు. సో ఇంకా 5 వారాలు పుట్టిన తర్వాత ఏమి పాపని ఏం చేయవు కదా, నువ్వు ఫీడ్ చేస్తావు కదా బేబీని, పాపని నువ్వే పాలు ఇల్లు ఇస్తావు కదా, ఇంకా చూసుకుంటావు కదా. భాగ్యకు ఉంది.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఉండేది ఒక కూతురే కదా బాగా చూసుకోవడంలో. నీకు అట్లా ఇంకేమైనా కష్టంగా ఉంటే నాకు చెప్తానండి.
చెప్పు, బాగా చూసుకుంటావా ఆడపిల్ల అయినా కూడా? ఏంటి ఏమట్లా చెప్పు, అట్లా అట్లా చూసుకుంటావు కదా బాగా. She's very silent when I ask her to keep the baby, and she seems to be very stubborn about it. Main thing is she's not taking good care of herself. She's not eating properly, she's not taking medication. If it was a boy, she would have really took care and she would have taken medication. But now she neglected herself for the past 2 weeks. So looking at her condition, I feel she doesn't want the baby anymore.
Will you take the girl?
If it comes to that level, definitely I will take the baby and we'll keep the baby with us.
పుల్లలు ఏరుకుంటా వెళ్తే ఒక తాంబలు దొరుకుతాయి, అవ్వా నన్ను కోసడానికి వద్దు.
When I see these children, I feel very sad because they are losing out on mother's love. So beautiful mother and child relationship, and mothers must have felt so bad leaving the children, and the children are losing out on everything. We're trying to replace, we try to do everything, but it can't be the same. If it was their mother, every little action, every little word, she would cherish every moment. But here, we talk to them, we take care of them, we do everything possible. But still, I feel we're not, mother's love is different. You just can't replace it.